Soldering often causes problems during repairs on refrigerant tubes in domestic appliances and small chillers. Thanks to our solder-free LOKRING tube connections, this is finally a thing of the past. Completely without heat or flame. That means you save all the necessary safety precautions for soldering. Protect the refrigerant system from possible surface damage caused by soldering. And above all, protect yourself from toxic gases which can occur during soldering and from the risk of ignition of combustible refrigerants. However, we don't just make repairs safer, but quicker too. Each LOKRING connection is 40% faster compared to a soldered joint. Our ingenious principle also provides for better quality, because when soldering, even experienced professionals cannot always avoid the refrigerant circuit being damaged by heat or solder residue. Handling LOKRING, on the other hand, is easy to learn and uncomplicated. So, after only a short time, you're able to apply the LOKRING system quickly and reliably. With LOKRING, all repairs can be made on-site. It's this simple. First, thoroughly clean the tube ends. Next, cut out the leaking section or component to be replaced. This is most easily done using our special LRSZ tube cutting pliers. Then apply lock prep evenly to the entire tube circumference. Lock prep penetrates even the finest cavities, fills them completely, and thus makes the connection 100% airtight. Now, push the tube ends all the way into the connector and press the lock rings onto the connector using the hand assembly tool. Finished. No matter which refrigerant you are using, and no matter if the repair has to be done in an apartment building, warehouse or supermarket, LOKRING offers the best solution for every repair situation. For over 35 years, LOKRING tube connections have successfully been applied in the refrigeration and air conditioning industry. More than 1 billion LOKRINGs have been successfully fitted. That makes Vulcan LOKRING the world market leader in solder-free tube connections for refrigeration and air conditioning technology. 5 production sites and more than 30 subsidiary companies and sales representatives ensure intelligent solutions, top quality, and optimum service. Thousands of service technicians of domestic appliances already put their trust in the reliable LOKRING technology. Make your repairs easier, faster, and more cost-effective with LOKRING, the best connection.